Not all internships are created equal. Creating opportunities that inspire and put into practice skills taught in the classroom is a lesson we take to heart. Ask us about our internship program.
Hi, my name is Elham Amini. I'm from University of Florida and I'm doing my internship here at Simulations Plus working on PBPK modeling.
Hi, I'm Jackie Maya and I'm from California State University of Bakersfield. I am interning here for the sales and marketing team.
I got introduced to Simulations Plus when we hosted a hands-on GastroPlus workshop last year at the University of Florida.
For my internship, I had to input data, analyze it, and then attend meetings to present my work.
My favorite memory, the night that we went out for the girls' night, and of course the day that the company surprised me with a birthday cake.
My favorite colleague here is Kevin Cooper because he's a musician just like me and we love to talk about music.
My favorite colleagues, Mark since he's the coolest, and Donna since she's the nicest.
I would definitely recommend this internship to others. For the most part, I worked by myself. My boss gave me a lot of freedom working alone, which meant he trusted me to do my work.
As summer comes to a close, we'd like to thank our interns for all their hard work and encourage future scientists and engineers to join us at upcoming workshops.